In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your package access settings on GitHub for optimal management and security. We'll be walking through each step with clarity so you can easily follow along and apply these changes to your own GitHub account. First, start by heading over to your GitHub dashboard. This is the hub where you can access all your repositories and account settings. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an icon there. This is your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. It might be a picture if you've set one, or perhaps just an avatar, but either way, clicking it will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. Clicking this will take you to your account settings page, which is where we'll be making the necessary adjustments today. On the settings page, you're going to see a menu on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to locate the option called Packages. It might not be immediately at the top, so you might need to scroll just a tiny bit. Found it? Great. Go ahead and click on Packages. Now, on this Packages page, what we're interested in today are the default package settings. These settings control how access is managed for new packages you create. As you might already know, keeping this organized is crucial for maintaining security and ease of access across your projects. Within the default package settings, you'll find a checkbox next to the option that says Inherit Access from Source Repository. By checking this box, what you're doing is ensuring that any new container, NPM, RubyGems, and NuGet packages you create will automatically inherit their access permissions from their associated source repository. This can be incredibly helpful in saving time and ensuring consistent permission settings across your projects. Once you've ticked that checkbox, you're almost done. Now, the final, crucial step is to make sure you save these changes. Direct your attention to the bottom of this section, and you'll see a Save button. Click on it to confirm and apply your new settings. Congratulations! You've now successfully updated your package access settings. By doing this, you've automated your settings management, making life just a bit easier. These settings will help keep everything in line without you needing to manually adjust permissions each time you add a new package. This can significantly streamline your workflow, especially if you manage multiple projects or work within a team. Keep this practice in mind whenever you're adjusting settings to maximize efficiency on GitHub. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, consider